I got the oil truck. I would have more money, but I used it on all of my cars. But yeah, I got the oil truck. Now, when I had this game in 2018, but I deleted it. I don't know why. But then I added it back just this year. Not this year, but 2020, I think. But yeah, these are cars that I have. And XBell, the Rotoverse Expert 2.0, aka Hot Wheels, XBell 123, the Hot Wheels collector. I don't know if you have played this game, but it is pretty cool. Oh yeah, this one's also cool, because you can just like bulldoze to police cars. But yeah, I finally got the oil truck one again. It's pretty cool.